Steve Hammer.
And we're working on, oh my gosh, the resistant color scanner. It's an Android app. Alright, so what it is it's an Android application that's going to use OpenCV to scan an image or a continuous stream to find the shape of a resistor, the component electronics, and then find the bands on that resistor, and then find out what color those are, and then tell you what the ohmage of it is.
And then we'll also have a screen where once you scan it, you'll be able to change the values if necessary if it's right or wrong. So like the one on the right, this is what we have so far. So you start out with this activity, and right now we haven't got the scanning part to work yet, but you can either select a picture from your gallery or take a picture, and it displays it here and sends you off to the next activity, and then that's where you can select colors, and then it tells you the resistance.
So right now we have basically the shell of it, but it's not smart yet. I literally got OpenCV working on my computer an hour ago after like weeks of messing around with the forums. So I started on the tutorial in that hour, and I've been working on it this week. We each have a side project, so we switch off between the weeks of working on this. So next week I should be working on that and getting some OpenCV figured out in C++ that will then be able to work on that.
OpenCV, it's an imaging library that's supposed to make it a lot easier to detect shapes and colors and whatnot, so we figured we'd use that for our app to get a quick way to read the resistor.
Suggested to us a few meetings ago by Barat and Santosh. And we've got tons of sample images that we took at the Mercer Lab, I think. We took a whole bunch, like thousands of resistors worth of pictures. So, and there's some features that we, like once we've got the scanning down, there are a few features that would be cool to have eventually if it came to that. If it worked well, like we'd want to be able to have something where you can choose an ohmage and then point the camera at a pile of resistors and it can pick out the one that's your ohmage, if provided that the camera is good enough and our software works well enough. If you want to email us with joy or whatever, that's us. Thank you to Usual Suspects, Professor Martin Goldschmidt, Sean O'Sullivan, and all of you.
Questions?
Yep. Not really a question, more of a comment, but this is really cool because I have a friend who's colorblind and he's in BE. And
I had that in mind when we were coming up with the idea.
It's awesome. Yeah.
Have you thought at all about like the lighting in different situations and how that might affect? Like have it like select like fluorescent or like incandescent?
We've thought about doing that once, like see if that becomes like a big issue when it comes to that. We found out that the best lighting situation, just looking at it, was taking the picture from further away and then like zooming in.
Just with the focus levels of the camera, when you get close enough, it's harder to get images than it is from our cameras. And
it worked pretty well if you had all the lights off and used just a flash from the camera too. Good. Thank you very much.